Love is not weak, feeble, or soft. Love is the positive force of life. Love is the cause of everything positive and good. Everything you want to be, do, or have comes from love. The positive force of love can create anything good, increase the good things, and change anything negative in your life. Every day, in every moment, you make the choice either to love and harness the positive force or not. The law of attraction is the law of love, and it is the law that is operating in your life. Whatever you give out in life is what you receive back in life. Give positivity, you receive back positivity. Give negativity, you receive back negativity. Life doesn't happen to you. You receive everything in your life based on what you are giving. Either your thoughts and feelings are good or bad, their return has automatically and precisely as an echo. People who have great lives think and talk about what they love more than what they don't love. Talk about the good news of the day. Talk about what you love and bring what you love to you. You have an unlimited ability to think and talk about what you love. And so you have an unlimited ability to bring everything good in life to you. Love, because when you love, you are using the greatest power in the universe.